In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive shared files. If someone has shared files or folders with you on Google Drive, you can save copies to your computer in just a few clicks. Start by heading to drive.google.com in your browser. On the left sidebar, open the Shared with Me section. This area lists everything others have shared with you. Click once to select the file or folder you want, then right-click and choose Download. Your browser will begin saving it right away, usually to your default Downloads folder. You can keep an eye on the progress bar that appears in the lower corner of Drive, and you'll see the usual download indicator in your browser as well. When you need more than one item, select multiple files first, then download them all together. On Windows, hold the Control key while clicking each file or folder you want to include. After you've highlighted everything, right-click and choose Download. Google Drive will automatically compress the selection into a single zip file before it starts transferring. That zip will contain the same folder structure you selected. After it finishes, open or extract the zip on your computer to get to the individual files. Large selections can take a while to prepare, so let Drive finish packaging before you close the tab. Sometimes you might open the menu and notice that Download isn't available. That's because the file owner can turn off downloading, and while viewers or commenters can usually download, it's not guaranteed. In those cases, use the Request Access option you'll see in Drive, or contact the owner and ask them to enable downloading for you. There isn't a way to bypass the owner's settings from your side. Google's own files, docs, sheets, and slides are a little different because they live in the cloud. If one of these opens in the editor, go to the File menu, choose Download, and then pick a format such as PDF, Word, .docx, or Excel, .xlsx. Drive will convert the document into the format you choose and then save it to your computer. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Very large folders or big batches are always delivered as a zip file. You can't drag items straight from Drive to your desktop and expect them to download, so always use the download option. And if your connection feels slow, try downloading in smaller batches to speed things up.